Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a really big and chunky journal that I've made. This is a bear journal. There's just lots of different pages, papers. I am calling it a junk journal, even though it's not junk as in as such. It's just things that I had laying around, book pages. Oh, there's just so much going on in this. I've had to kind of up my camera a little bit to try and get it in frame, because it is probably one of the biggest journals that I've made. It measures 9 inches by 6.5. It has a 3¼ inch spine. Look, you can see how big that is. There is 5 signatures, and there is a total of 380 pages front and back. And although it's a bare journal, I have added lots of like different tabs and things, just like cardstock that I had, and I just made some big long tabs. I've punched some out from the Stampin' Up punch. The cover is a wallpaper, and I just repurposed a cereal box, covered it with cardstock, and then covered it with this, so it's nice and thick. I've decorated it with some burlap, some cardstock. There was just some scraps here, and then this image of the bird. And I would say this is a nature themed journal, and I think I've used mainly kits from Artimaze in this, and Artimaze will be linked below. So I'm going to do a real quick flip through, because 308 pages is a lot to get through. You can see it holds nice. This could do you a year. It really could last you a whole year of filling it out. I'm just having to check that I'm in frame, because I know I'm not getting all of this in. So the inside is decorated with this paper here, and it's been stuck to some cardstock and then put onto the inside cover, and the back is the same. Gosh, it's so big. That's amazing. So we have papers from Artimaze. This is from the floral collage kit. So we have that. There is some book page here. This is from I think it's a house plant book. Here we have a tab that I've just stapled on. Lots of coffee paper. It's an Edith Holden. We have some music paper here, some ledger. It's all been coffee or tea dyed. There is a mixture of both in here. There's some Dragonfly Dreams digital paper, again that's from Artimaze. Lots of coffee paper, like I said. Then there's the fern and mushroom paper. Done some double printing, as in I printed on the backs of some of them, not all of them. We have a doily, some squared paper, another book page. It's really pretty, that is. And small coffee paper. This is a big envelope, and it had like a sticky bit at the top, so I just put some washi on the top, so you can tuck things inside there, and a little bit down the bottom. This is from the old design shop. We have another tab, center of that signature. That's the envelope, so you've got a pocket there. Still trying to make sure I'm in frame, because I know this is sliding around. Some more book page. Nice staining on the I think that's actually tea. Some printing on the back. That flips out. Some more Edith Holden. Another tab. The other side of the houseplant book page. And then this page here. So that's the first signature. Second signature. Again, this is Artimaze. Another flip here, another houseplant page. Another tab. Another, oops, wrong way. Another envelope there with some washi. Oh, that page is a little curled up. I didn't put a closure on this, because I didn't think it needed it. But you could quite easily add a closure. We've got a tab here. Love this page, isn't that pretty? If I didn't already say, this will be listed in my shop. And we have another doily, some music paper. centre of the signature. Another flip out here, a doily, and the paper, the coffee dyed paper, excuse me, the coffee dyed paper is A4 size, and it's just completely folded in half. I haven't trimmed any of it. It's another pretty page. Some more arty maze. Another tab. Some more ledger paper. Another envelope there with some of that washi. Another tab here. So these pages, they're not really glossy, but they've got a little bit of a shine to them. You could gesso them, or just go ahead and collage straight over the tops of them. So that's the second signature. I'm going to make some more of these big chunky like naked journals. Sometimes it's nice not to be overwhelmed with having to fill a journal, like with pockets and tags and ephemera. Again, another pretty page here. Another flip out there. Another envelope there, another tab, fourth signature, I love the noise of the paper, especially when it's been baked in the oven, because when you let it dry outside you don't get that same feeling and sound and look. So I do like to bake them, and I'm actually preferring tea at the moment. Don't know why, because I normally do coffee, but the tea's got like a really nice colour to it, and I have been using tea bags that are the strong brew tea bags, so it's maybe given it a little bit of a richer colour. Kind of looks like an insect's leg, but it isn't. And the fifth signature. When you get to the other side of this, when I bought this book, somebody had handwritten in it. It was a gift of some sort. So you'll see that on the other side, and I thought I'd add that because it was quite nice. A little bit of someone else's handwriting in there. And you can see it's still, it's still writable. You can still write on it, even though it's really chunky. Another envelope there with some washi. Scrap piece of paper. Another flip. The side of the envelope. Did I miss that? No, there's the Edith Holden, and that's the writing there. It says to Susan, and I can't really read it, and it's with kindest regards and affection from the staff at somewhere, and then it's signed, and it's the date that they gifted this was the 30th of the 5th, 1980. So that is the journal. As you can see, it's so chunky, but you squish it in. If you were to put a closure on it, you could hold it tight, but it sits nice. It's a good size. Lovely. I think it's a lovely journal. I think it'd be great to start your your own memories in with no real theme to it, even though it's kind of got all these a little bit of kind of nature, flowers, dragonflies, something else in here. What was it? Is it dragonflies and something else? What is it? I can't think now. But anyway, you know, you can even collage over the tops of these as well. So there you have it. I will have Artie Mae's linked below. This will be linked to the link to this will be in my shop if you're interested. If you do purchase it and you do want a closure on it, I can do some eyelets here and here, and then put some string or some organza ribbon through that for you. But yeah, if you do, let me know. Any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.